Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in today's video. Today I'm going to explain you about this website known as Ineba, and in this video I will tell you whether it is legit or a scam. Friends, this is not our website, and if you have never ordered anything from this website, then in this unbiased review I'll help you in deciding the answer to this question, that is, should I buy from it or not. Also, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till the end, as I will share a way to get your money back at the end of this video. Here on this website known as Ineba.com, you will get gaming at cheap prices, and here you can see picture regarding it. You will also get some gift cards when you purchase a game from this website. Prices for the games are attractive as they are available at low prices. And this was about the game. Now guys, you can make your purchase on this website using Google Pay, Visa and PayPal. Also, the shipping time you will get to see on this website is 1 to 2 days. Now, before going further, I would like to request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel, as this will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos for you. Now, let us talk about those important points on which we can judge this website to be legit or a scam one. So guys, we came to know that this website shows a valid HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. Also, we found that this website was registered on 4th April 2008. Now let us check some more information regarding this website, and let us see their About Us page, and let's see what information is given here. So here on the About Us page, you can see picture regarding the website, and their origin information is also available here. All you need to know is provided here on their About Us page, and the About Us page given here is really informative, which is a good thing. Now, talking about the prices, guys, we found prices to be really attractive and impressive here. Also, the payment options provided are multiple, and you can use any of them according to your own feasibility. Now, let us check the Contact Us page of the website, and let us see what details are given here. So this is the Contact Us page of this website, and here you can see different email addresses are given here in order to assist you. However, no office address or phone number is provided here. Also, the domain name matches to the email address given here, which is a good thing. Now, talking about the social media presence, guys, here you can see some of the social media icons are provided, and this website is active on all of them, and this website shows a good social media following too, which is a legit sign here. Now let us check the return policy of the website, and let us see what all details are provided there. So guys, after exploring this website, we could not find any information regarding the return policy. So if you have any experience regarding the return or refund policy of this website, then do share it with us in the comment box below. Now coming to the customer reviews, guys, the customer reviews seen for this website was majorly positive, and that is a good thing here. Now, seeing the content quality, we could see that the website is showing a good content quality, as it provides detailed information regarding it, and also you will get detailed information regarding the games displayed here. So content quality overall is good. Now, giving a final verdict, I would declare this website Ineba.com to be a legit one based on its good customer reviews, good content quality and good social media presence. Guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. And if you want to get your money back wasted on scam websites or products, then do check the link given in the description area. Also, we read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please share your reviews about this video with us in the comment box below. And yeah guys, please like this video, and if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe it today. We advise you to be informed and be safe. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.